Learn English conversation, listening and speaking. Hello, welcome to the eSchool English. Let's get started. Streamline. This is a verb make something faster, easier, better. For example, online learning has streamlined education. Glaring. This is an adjective something bad is extremely obvious. For example, there was a glaring contradiction in his statement. Contradiction. It is a combination of words that is nonsense because some of the words suggest the opposite of some of the others. For example, you said you hate the heat, but you want to go to Hawaii. Isn't that a contradiction? Fatigue. This is a noun extreme tiredness. For example, I feel fatigue after studying English. Combat. This is a noun fight, battle. For example, combat brain fatigue with these top expert tips. Put your thinking cap on. It's mean to get ready to think hard. For example, put your thinking cap on. You're going to learn a lot of new vocabularies. Downside. It's mean negative aspect. Disadvantage opposite, upside. For example, there are many upsides to learning English, but there are downsides too. Expenditure. This is a noun, it's mean energy, effort required. For example, how much their expenditure there is? Pain. This is a noun, it's mean annoying. For example, driving during rush hour is a pain. Distraction. This is a noun, something that causes you to change your focus or attention. For example, sorry, I was distracted by the noise. Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel for free English lesson every day.